So we got the family pack of beef ravioli. This is a bulk size, so there's a kilo in here. You can see that. That'll give you enough for 6 serves. And what you do is just take out whatever you need for a meal, go straight from the freezer into the boiling pot of water. It's lovely. It's really, really, really good for fussy eaters. So it's not our most gourmet, so it's not our richest possible product, but it's really tasty. It's got no rubbish in it. It's got no sugar or anything artificial. And it's a good value pack. So 6 meals out of there, it'll come to about $4 or $5 a meal. And it's just really popular. It's great with either Napolitana sauce or with a creamy carbonara sauce. It's great with any of those sauces. It works really well. And it's a crowd pleaser at a good value. So it's kind of a value proposition more than a really super rich one. If you want super rich, things like our beef cheek ravioli are phenomenal for flavor. That's incredible. This one is all about value and fussiness. Great for fussy eaters. Enjoy.